So hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and for today we're going to be doing one of the most trending makeup challenges at this point of time, which is the one dip makeup challenge. So I did two other challenges before this one, which was the brother does my makeup tag, and I'm pretty sure like a lot of you watched that one. It was just so funny and it was so much fun. Like I literally had nothing to do. I just had to sit and my brother did all the work. And after that I did the reverse makeup tag, which was, oh, that was hell actually, like the reverse makeup tag. It was really difficult because like my skin was looking crusty, cakey and whatnot, like everything bad happens. Like for those of you who saw the video, you guys know how bad that went, right? So I really hope that this challenge is not going to be that hard. I'm literally just hyperventilating and rambling about this entire thing and the entire challenge, but we're just gonna get started and let's just see how it goes and hope for the best. So I'm just gonna put on my lucky hairband, like my cute cat hairband, and let's just see whether it actually helps me out. So we're gonna start with foundation, and I'm gonna go in for something which is much more thicker and full coverage, which is the MAC Pro Longwear foundation. This is gonna be just one pump, you guys. Okay, so we're gonna go about with a pump. Oh my god, that is too less. That is way too less. So I'm gonna use my fingers first, like just to apply the product kind of everywhere so that we don't literally waste the coverage. I'm already out of foundation. I'm just literally scraping whatever is left and gonna go along with my job. I'm gonna be using one of my most favorite concealers, which is the Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer. So I'm in the shade 30 Chocochino. So I'm just gonna like grind in my concealer and take as much as possible, and I just hope the stopper doesn't clear like the rest of it. And okay, I think that should work. So we're going to use it sparingly and we're going to do both sides of the face simultaneously, so I just don't want to be left with like too much concealer on one side and no concealer on the other side. So I'm going to use some here and here. Okay, that went on okay, and a little here and here, a little here and a little here, and okay, that went on fine. A little here and a little here. Oh my god, this concealer goes a long way. I'm not going to use any eyeshadow primers today, so I'm just taking the concealer over here. Like I have a little bit of darkness going on, so yeah. This is the K Beauty HD banana powder, and I'm just gonna like dip it in, and I am literally just swirling, and the powder is going everywhere, like into my nose, into my mouth. So I'm just gonna pick up as much as possible. So I've kind of got my brush coated with literally like ton amounts of product. My main concern is my under eye, so it's a little here and a little here and a little here. To the rest of it, I'm just gonna use it like on my lids, and I think that is okay. Like I can't set my entire face, but I'm just gonna like run the brush all over my face, pretending that I have any product left, which I don't. Next is gonna be eyebrows, and I have no clue how am I gonna do this. So I'm gonna use the Benefit Ka-Brow Bow Brow. So I'm gonna use the Benefit Ka-Brow Brow Pomade, and I'll use the same brush it comes with. So I'm just gonna take my brush and I'm gonna go in for one nice dip, and I'm just gonna coat my brush literally everywhere. And like, can you? Yeah, I've got to show you guys this. Can you see how much product I have picked on my brush? Like my brush has literally lost its shape, and I don't know what am I going to do with this now. I have way too much product. Oh my god. It's getting literally, oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna do this side and then go back to that side. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys saw that, but just a huge piece of the pomade just fell off my brush, and just smoothing whatever is like whatever we put in the first step. And so we're gonna move on to eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use the Tan Beauty This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette. It is super pigmented, you guys. Like I'm gonna be doing a full in-depth review of this one with looks and everything in the review. I'm gonna take this shade here called Pinot Noir, and that is gonna be like a dip, and I'm just gonna coat my brush. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do my best though. So I'm just gonna place some here and do the same on the other side. And okay, I'm starting to lose pigment on this eye compared to the other one. Oh my god, there is literally no color coming on this side compared to the other side. The other side is so pigmented, and so that's like the first shade in, and I'm gonna use the shade here called Blow a Kiss, and I'm gonna blend it off. So I'm gonna coat my brush with literally like as much as it can hold, and oh god, there is literally too much product right now, I feel. I'm getting a really harsh line over here, and so let's do the other eye. I think I'll go about with the shade here called Smoke, and I'm gonna coat like both sides of the brush, and it's gonna be one side for each, each of the lower lash line. It's kind of like a dark purple, and let's stop right there and do the other eye. I have a little less product on this side, so I'm just gonna do my best to drag it and make it look like it's balanced, but it's just not happening. My eyes look slightly uneven. What do you think? Like, don't you think my eyes look uneven? So I'm just gonna use a clean blending brush and buff out all the excess stuff. So next up, I'm gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna go into this black shade, and this is one of the best black shades I've ever tried. So I'm gonna take this one called Coal, and I'm gonna do one tap here and one tap here. Oh god, there's no color coming here. Okay, fine, let's just work it through. So I'm just gonna blend it slightly here, and I'm gonna blend it slightly here. Literally got like nothing on my brush, and I'm just using whatever is on my lid. Time for a little bit of shimmer, and I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. I'm just gonna coat my brush on both the sides, and yep, so I've got a lot of it, and I think I'm gonna out of product, but I'm just gonna drag whatever is left down. So hold that thought, it's gonna be eyeliner next, and this is my Nykaa Vinyl Luxe Liner, and I'm just gonna again like do the same rolling thing. I don't know, I don't even think it works for an eyeliner. Okay, let's do another line here. The catch is that we can't layer our liners, but I made it too thin on this side, so I had to go for another one, and there's a bit of a gap here, and I'm gonna fill it in. So much for doing good on the eyeshadow, and I totally messed up my liner. So I'm gonna use the Kiko Milano Maxi Brush Mascara, and I'm gonna like give it like a really good swirl, and girl, I'm going in hard on this, and I'm gonna pick up like literally as much as I want. So if you feel like your mascara is gonna get over, right, this is a tip to do. You can actually like just rotate it inside, and it would kind of like brush off the sides of the entire container. I want to get a little more product, but oh, this is just way too less. Okay, I'm not gonna go for a lot. Like, let's do the detailing work in the last, if we have some left. Lower lashes, how can I forget? So I don't know how this challenge works. False lashes, I'm just gonna like pop them on and be right back. So next is gonna be contouring, and I'm genuinely scared for this. Let's just dunk in literally as much as possible. Just gonna blend my jawline out. I've got like a muddy patch here. Let's see if we can salvage the cheek. What's done is done. We're gonna move on to blush. I don't see this step also going right. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So someone is keeping score. You know that I messed up the contour and the blush. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. I'm literally just digging in, and I love highlighter. So I'm just going to use little because we literally took way too much highlighter and look like I'm out of the world. I'm going to use the L'Oreal lipstick. Just want a little more color on my lips. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun challenge, and I hope you guys had as much fun as I did when I was, like doing the entire blush and the contour thing. It was so difficult. I'm so excited for you guys to see the next video after this challenge. It's gonna be like the most funniest video ever. I have a lot of beginner friendly tutorials on my channel, so make sure you check that out. I think I'll be doing an advanced one like maybe a couple of days from now. So you can check those out and let me know which other challenge you want me to do. Until next time, bye.